Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your Dyson SV14 trigger not working properly, you're not alone. This common problem can occur due to wear and tear or a faulty mechanism. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage or even a complete failure of your vacuum cleaner, which can be quite inconvenient. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools and materials. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement trigger mechanism. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the handle. Once all screws are out, gently pry open the casing to access the internal components. Be careful not to force it too much, as you don't want to damage any clips that might be holding it together. Now, locate the trigger mechanism, which is usually situated near the top of the handle. You'll notice that it's connected by a few small screws and possibly some wiring. Carefully unscrew the mechanism, making a note of where each screw belongs. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've removed the old trigger, take your new one and align it in the same position as the old mechanism. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Be sure to connect any wires back in their original position to ensure everything functions correctly. After securing the new trigger, gently close the casing, ensuring that all clips are properly aligned. Now, reinsert the screws at the base of the handle to keep everything in place. Before finishing up, plug in your Dyson SV14 and test the trigger to ensure it works smoothly. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean and maintain your vacuum. Avoid using it for wet spills and ensure that the trigger mechanism is not exposed to excessive force while in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.